This question looks difficult, but I'm going to break it down for you. We have a solution. This can also be expressed as a plus 6 minus 1 into a plus 6 plus 1 equals 89,999. Then let x equals a plus 6. Then the equation becomes x minus 1 into x plus 1 equals 89,999. Then this has become difference of two squares. In that case, we can also express this as x square minus 1 equals 89,999. Here, we are going to collect like terms, and we have that x square equals 89,999 plus 1. Then the equation becomes x square equals 90,000. Here, we are going to take the square root of both sides of the equation, and we have that x equals neither positive or negative square root of 90,000. Then x equals neither positive or negative 300. Then record that x equals a plus 6. X equals a plus 6. In this note, when x equals 300, a will be 300 equals a plus 6. Then here a equals 300 minus 6 and a equals 294. Then when x equals minus 300, a will be minus 300 equals a plus 6. Then here a equals minus 300 minus 6 and a equals minus 300 minus 306. Therefore, a equals 294 or a equals minus 306. And these are the possible values of a that will satisfy this equation. See you in the next video.